this is one reason why you are not wealthy. These are the things that the rich people do, the wealthy people do, that they do not teach us. And we have to know. Let me give you an example. I have been talking about investing in ETFs, investing in stocks, global companies. I've been talking about this for years. There's a video on it on YouTube that I did. So I told my sister, she lives here now, when she was in Nigeria, I said, you too, whatever small change you have, invest in global companies. So I'm going to show you our account on Invest Bamboo, so you can see exactly what has been happening in the last few years that she doesn't have money, she has just been investing little, and you see what has happened. So this is our account. Our total wealth is $165.28. That's the total amount that is there. You will now see how much she invested for her to get this money. So you can see that what she invested is in US stocks, global companies. That's what she has invested in. Then we now take a look at the components of what she invested in. Let's tap it. Now, if you have a look at this, you see that she has invested a fraction of her money in the Vanguard S&P 500, which I always talk about, because the Vanguard S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the US. The Apples, the Microsoft, the Tesla, the Johnson & Johnson, all of those companies are in the S&P 500. So you don't need to invest in one company. Just invest in a basket of funds. So she has invested in Vanguard S&P 500, the VOO, and she has also interested in the Vanguard Real Estate Investment Trust, which is the REIT. REIT means real estate companies. So she has kind of diversified her portfolio, put some money in the S&P 500 and put some money in REIT. Now let's see exactly what the components of what she invested is. To check that out, we go here, we view the breakdown. When we view the breakdown, you can see that the cost basis, which is the total amount that she has invested so far, is $121. And the total value, which is the current value of our investment, is $161. That means our portfolio is up by $39, which is 32%. You can see what investing in global companies can give you. The wealthy do this. They invest for their children right from where they are young. They don't invest in multi-level schemes. They invest in legitimate companies, and they invest over time. They don't want that money now. They invest over time. I bought Facebook shares when they were $99. Facebook Meta is now selling for around $600-700. That's in about 3 years. If you don't have that mentality of investing and waiting, you are going to lose money to get rich quick scheme. And we need to educate ourselves about these things. Very important. Now, let me now show you how long ago she had even invested. Okay? If we go here, we come and see the trade confirmation. You see that the last time she even invested, the last time she even used as students, and our students don't get money, the last time she invested was November 2023. You see, November 2023. So you invest and wait. Charlie Munger used to say, you don't make money when you buy and sell. You make money when you wait. It is not about timing the market. It's time in the market. So what are the 3 concepts that you need to have? Number 1, you want to pay your high interest debt. You don't want to have any high interest debt. Number 2, you need to save up emergency fund, which is 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. And then number 3, you need to set out an amount of money that you will be investing regularly in global reputable companies. I've done a full video on YouTube. It's had about 10,000 views. Go and watch that session. But I just want to give you an example, because seeing is believing for a lot of us. If we don't see it, this is just an example. I'll keep sharing this. You see, I've got a big screen. I am not going to leave you alone until you make money, until you succeed. Okay? Follow, like, share. Toyiba Adelono, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.